Being able to read and understand who the witnesses to your will are is incredibly important to making sure your will is found to be valid when it's probated. Hi, my name is Daniel Timins. I'm a trust and estates and elder law attorney and a certified financial planner. A lot of people don't realize that when you have your will signed, you have to have witnesses sign, and those witnesses have to be identifiable in the future. What do I mean? I'll typically see a will that someone else has drafted from years ago, and I'll see the deceased person's name written, and then there's the witnesses' names. And usually the name is ugh or blah. You just can't read it because people, including witnesses, don't realize that for that will to be valid, someone who's disputing the will has to be able to dispute the will and question them. Well, a lot of people who sign the will just sign their name completely illegibly. And the other problem then is, how do you contact these people if there is a will dispute? And even if there's no dispute, the court will require that on the petition you name who those witnesses were. This can be a particularly big problem where someone has a standard common name, something like a Doug Smith or a Mary Jones. How do you know who that person is? If there's a will dispute, how can you find that person to question them? Your will may be found to be invalid. Something that I suggest you do is you have your witness sign their scribbly name and then also print it legibly, followed by including their address at that time. Yeah, they may move in the future, but at least you have a snapshot of where they are temporally, so if there is a future will dispute, you can better guarantee that your will and your wishes will be upheld. My name is Daniel Timmins, and I want you to remember that where there's a way, there's a will.